So now I have the Excel file of the Superstore data source. So just because of the Excel file, I need to actually click on the Microsoft Excel connector. Okay, so I'm clicking on that, and I'm obviously getting an option to select this file. I'm selecting that. Okay, so now it is okay. So now it is the Tableau is showing me that okay, you selected this file, we have read it, and we found three tables. One is orders, pupil, and returns. Okay, fine. So now you have the option to start to work. So I'm just going to start work with orders table first. So I will just double click on the orders. Okay, now I'm seeing the table in the Tableau itself, and Tableau is showing me the data that okay Arnav, this file you have selected, and this file has this column, and this is the data. It is the structure of the table. Okay, so now look at the top. Here two options are there. One is live and another is extract. Okay, live and extract. So what is live and what is extract? Live means you are directly connected with the data source. Data source mean here it is Superstore Excel file, so I am directly connect with my Excel file. Fine. Now if I am selecting the extract, it is looking same, and it is showing me the same data. But the thing is this, it is not the same as I am directly connected with the data source. It is not directly connected to the data source. And now it is directly connected with the data source. But whenever I will going for next step, immediately Tableau will actually extract the data from the original data source and place it in another file, which is will be personal to the Tableau itself. Okay, the format, the file format also just according to Tableau file format. Okay, so this will not be the like exact Excel file. Okay, so now I think you are clear. If you have any doubt, then you can please call me, or you can comment me, okay, next to the video, so I will obviously reply back. Now again, if I'm selecting the live, then I'm not actually seeing any edit link. But if I'm selecting the extract, then I have the edit link. So what is edit? Edit means edit means a lot of settings. Okay, this window is showing lot of settings that we can manage. We can manage the extracting procedure. Okay, during of the Tableau. That the Tableau will look. If I am select the extract, then Tableau will obviously extract the data source. Okay, so if there are any update in the again Excel file, then I should extract the update part again. So whenever I will connect with the data source again, Tableau will follow these procedures that I will maintain, okay, during the extraction. Okay, fine. So now I'm not going for the same. I'm not going for the details. It will be actually cause of confusion to you. So I'm not going to make you confused. I'm canceling it. Okay, no, nothing I'm doing here. I'm just directly connected with the table, and okay, no. If I'm going to extract, then let's see. If I'm clicking on the orange color part is sheet. Okay, sheet one. So if I'm going for this sheet one, then it will show me that please save this file. Okay, because this file will be the extracted version of the original Excel file. Okay, this is not exactly the Superstore data source. It is Excel file. It is the extracted version of the Superstore Excel file. Okay, am I clear? If you have any doubt, please send me a comment, okay, next to my video. I will obviously reply back. Fine. So now I'm not going to save anything. I'm sorry. I have just selected the I have selected the live and going for the sheet one. So this is what the way that I can actually connect with my data source, and it is now showing me the selected table. Okay, order samples to Superstore. The data source that I have selected, the table that I have selected. In the table, under the table, you can see the all fields that is available in the order table. Okay, so look here between these two fields, there one light color divider. Okay, This divider is saying that the upper portion of the upper part of this divider is the dimensions field. Okay, if you don't know about the dimension, then you please go for the Google. Okay, please read it, what is dimension, what is measure, and then come back. And now the second part is the measure field. Okay, so these are the upper section is dimension, the next part, the lower part is the measures. Okay, so Tableau is so much intelligent to understand which field is dimension and which field is measures. Okay, if you look very closely, then you can see here the images are actually saying that the data type of the field. Suppose category is a string field, so it is saying like ABC. So whenever I can see the ABC, I obviously will just said that it is a string field, and like that hash key, straight hash key, then it is integer type, and it is showing like calendar, then it is actually date field, and if it is globe, then it is like geographical field like state, country, city, country. Okay, and another thing is that latitude, longitude. Just because of Tableau is actually offer delivered a good actually visualization on map. Okay, so latitude longitude is very important, and Tableau is automatically generated those, and we can obviously can do the same thing manually. We can obviously use the latitude longitude for to visualize our map. We can have many map formats. So lots of things we need to learn. Okay, so next please don't miss the next videos. Okay, so I will go for the step by step, step by step. So please stay with us.